Welcome to the Crypto Andrew channel. Let's go over and we're going to look at Dogecoin. So, let me make myself smaller so I'm not taking up the whole screen. Right now, right now for Dogecoin, let's look at it. Dogecoin on the weekly time frame, nothing's probably changed. You were overbought on the weekly. You had that breakout. We've talked about that. The 3-day, same situation. You're curving down on the stock side. Money flow is bearish, has the red dot. Not a very good look. 2-day, same situation. Daily time frame is trying to make a higher low on the stock RSI, so we'll see if we can do that. Can we do that? You have a bearish engulfing candle there. Tells me it's unlikely that that's going to happen. And with that bearish engulfing candle, it's unlikely that this is going to play out as a falling wedge. More so that this is just a bigger dump. So we'll see what happens. You do have support at 14.8 cents, which we're sitting on right now. If you do not hold 14.8 cents, especially if Bitcoin keeps dropping, your next support is 11.9 cents to the downside. If you do get the bounce off of 14.6 cents, your next stop to the upside would be about 17 cents on Dogecoin. I do want to let you guys know we do have a trading group. If you want to join, link to join is in the description. And if you guys want to join the free Telegram group where I tell you when I go live, or you can ask questions, link to join is in the description below. But right now, the daily time frame for Dogecoin looks decent to me for a move up. 12-hour looks decent for a move up. 8-hour time frame looks okay. So we'll see what happens. But overall, Dogecoin on the weekly looks bearish. On the smaller time frames, like the 8-hour, 12-hour, it looks good. And actually, I still do think this is a falling wedge here when you zoom in a little bit. So we'll see what happens. I just did a video on XRP, so go check that out if you guys want to, or are interested in XRP. But my point is about XRP looks bullish to me on the similar time frames, which when multiple altcoins look similar or look bullish or look bearish to me on the same time frames, it tells me that there could be a bigger move in the market coming, because usually you don't get consistency amongst other coins on multiple assets. We'll see what happens, but that gives me some hope that we could see it a little bit of an altcoin run while Bitcoin goes sideways or slightly down. But until Bitcoin just goes sideways, we're not going to see that run. If Bitcoin keeps making $1,000 new lows every single day, then that's not going to happen. To me right now, that's what's happening, is Bitcoin continues to find new lows, and until Bitcoin stabilizes for several days at a certain price, it's unlikely that any of these altcoins are going to run. They could have dead cat bounces just like Bitcoin, but they're not gonna rip. If we want these things to rip, we need to see Bitcoin stabilize around some kind of level, whether that's a weekly support at 65,000 or whatever that might be, or whether we're stabilizing now, which to me doesn't look likely, because on Bitcoin, Bookmap still is telling us $66,000, $67,000 is likely for Bitcoin. We'll see what happens, but short term, if we want to see Dogecoin, if we want to see XRP pump, we need Bitcoin to stabilize, and so far, it's making new lows basically every day. 1-hour time frame for Dogecoin right now. 1-hour time frame right now for Dogecoin is making new lows, or making a lower high, that I should say. So 1-hour time frame suggests we don't get the pump just yet. What you would like to see is you would like to see it make a higher low. It looks unlikely. The stock RSI is covering it down pretty hard, and that's already a pretty big red candle. To me, it's likely you at least make one more new low before a possible pump on Dogecoin. We'll see what happens. If you guys enjoyed this, make sure you hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I post a video. I'll be live on Monday, 11 p.m. Central Time, which is tomorrow. And yeah, when you look at the 15, yeah, 15 looks okay. We'll see what happens. Yeah, that's all I got. If you guys enjoyed this, appreciate it. The like, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, trade safe, and